You have been told that if you are motivated, you will change your life. If motivation would have changed your life, then why so many people would have quit every January? You see, motivation doesn't work. Many average men like you think that first you get motivated, that's when you will start taking action, and then you will start getting result. And that's why you keep on watching motivation videos. But high value divine man operates in a different way. High value divine men know this action principle is, first you take action, then it will give you confidence. Once you get that particular confidence, which will lead to a result, and you will get motivated automatically because of the action you have taken, and that will lead to more action, then confidence, then result, and that is how the cycle works. So if you see that all the successful people, if you see athletes, you will see Bollywood superstars, or all the highly successful people, they just don't wait to get motivated. You see, Ronaldo don't get motivated every morning. Michael Jordan was never motivated every morning. Michael Phelps was not motivated to get into the swimming pool every morning. It's not about the motivation. Despite of how you feel, what is your mood, whether you feel motivated or you're not feeling motivated, he took action. Once he took action, he was motivated to do more, and that's when he started getting the confidence, and that's what shows the result. And again, that result has started making him more motivated to take more result. So don't wait for motivation. Take action despite of how you feel it, because that is what is going to help you to set apart. Because average man always wait to feel motivated, but high value divine men, they take action despite of how they feel, whether they are motivated or they are not motivated, they go ahead and take action. So if you found this video helpful, subscribe to this channel, where every week I upload new videos which help you to rebuild from ordinary average man to becoming a high value divine man. And if you have any kind of a question, please go ahead and put in the comment section. And if you want me to share about any topic, please go ahead. You are most welcome to put it in the comment section, and I might take that particular question and I'll answer you in one of the upcoming videos. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.